Hello everyone, and welcome back to Modern Showroom. Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 TVS iQube, one of India's most popular electric scooters that has received several exciting updates for the new model year. If you're planning to switch to an electric scooter, stay with us until the end because this model brings improvements in range, technology, comfort, and everyday usability. Let's begin with the biggest update. The 2026 TVS iQube now comes with larger battery options depending on the variant. The new battery packs deliver significantly more riding range, making the scooter much more practical for daily commuting as well as occasional long rides. Riders who previously worried about range anxiety can now enjoy greater confidence on every journey. The next major highlight is the improved riding range. Thanks to the larger battery and better energy management system, the latest iQube can travel much farther on a single charge than before. This means fewer charging stops, lower running costs, and greater convenience for city riders. Whether you're riding to work, college, or running daily errands, the 2026 iQube is designed to handle it with ease. Performance has also received a noticeable upgrade. The electric motor delivers smooth and instant acceleration, making traffic riding effortless. The scooter reaches its top speed quickly while maintaining a refined and silent riding experience. Like previous models, the power delivery remains linear, ensuring beginners and experienced riders alike feel comfortable behind the handlebars. TVS has also worked on the charging experience. The updated iQube supports faster charging, reducing the amount of time needed to recharge the battery. For most users, charging overnight will provide enough range for several days of regular city riding. This makes the scooter extremely practical for everyday ownership. When it comes to design, the 2026 TVS iQube continues with its elegant and premium styling, while introducing fresh color options that give it a more modern appearance. The LED headlamp, stylish DRLs, attractive body panels, and clean overall design help the scooter stand out on Indian roads. The build quality remains one of the strongest points of the iQube, giving buyers confidence in long-term durability. Technology is another area where the new iQube shines. The premium variants feature a large TFT touchscreen display that shows speed, battery percentage, riding range, trip information, navigation, and incoming call notifications. The Smart Zonic system connects the scooter to your smartphone through Bluetooth, allowing riders to access useful features directly from the display. Navigation support helps riders find destinations without constantly checking their phones. The scooter also receives over-the-air software updates, allowing TVS to improve features and performance without requiring frequent service center visits. This future-ready technology ensures the scooter remains updated with the latest software improvements throughout ownership. Comfort has always been an important strength of the iQube, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. The wide and well-cushioned seat offers excellent comfort for both rider and passenger. The riding position remains upright, reducing fatigue during longer rides. The suspension absorbs speed breakers and rough roads comfortably, while the telescopic front suspension and rear shock absorbers provide a balanced riding experience. Storage space is another practical advantage. The underseat storage is spacious enough to accommodate daily essentials and even a helmet in higher variants. The scooter also includes a USB charging port, allowing riders to keep their smartphones charged while traveling. Safety has not been overlooked either. The braking system offers confident stopping performance with disc brakes on higher variants and CBS for improved stability. The wide tires provide excellent road grip, while the strong chassis enhances overall rider confidence during city riding. Features like reverse assist make parking in tight spaces much easier, especially for new riders. One of the biggest reasons many customers choose the TVS iQube is its low running cost. Compared to petrol scooters, electricity costs are significantly lower, making every kilometer much more affordable. Maintenance expenses are also reduced because electric scooters have fewer moving parts than conventional petrol-powered models. This helps owners save money over the long term while contributing to a cleaner environment. TVS also offers a growing charging and service network across India, making ownership easier than ever before. Buyers can expect reliable after-sales support along with attractive warranty coverage for the battery and electric components, adding further peace of mind. In terms of competition, the 2026 TVS iQube competes with electric scooters like the Ola S1 Pro, Ather Rista, Bajaj Chetak, Hero Vita, and Honda Activa E. However, the iQube stands out because of its trusted TVS reliability, refined ride quality, premium technology, comfortable seating, and practical everyday usability. So should you buy the 2026 TVS iQube? If you're looking for an electric scooter that offers longer range, improved battery capacity, premium smart features, smooth performance, comfortable riding, and low ownership costs, the latest TVS iQube deserves a place at the very top of your shortlist. It successfully combines modern technology with dependable engineering, making it an excellent choice for Indian families and daily commuters. Thank you for watching Modern Showroom. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 TVS iQube, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss our latest automobile updates. We'll see you in the next video with another exciting vehicle review. Until then, ride safe and take care.